Hey, Welsh Metals here. Today I'm doing something a bit different. I'm tidying up an old heavy lab microscope from Japan. That is inside this box. Let's have a little look. So there's the very nice piece of kit. Actually made in Japan. Very shiny. Comes with lots of expensive doodads. There you can see it's made in Japan. Quite weighty piece, this thing. It's otherwise functional, but some of the lenses do have some smeg within them, so I'm going to be cleaning them with some water and cotton buds. The mirror is also broken off. The pivot there, but it does actually still fit. We have all sorts of interesting bits here. Pre-made slides from Japan. Some of them are empty. These are empty ones where things have come off. And there was one quite interesting piece, which was that hair leaf of Silverberry, Japan. So we'll be having a look at that after I clean this up. Put that over there. What other slides do we have in these quite old prepared slides book? Don't know how this got to Wales, Britain. It's a long way from home, but who cares? Ooh, horny scale of snake from Japan. Sea cucumber, fowl, pheasant, smooth mussel from, what was that? From smooth mussel of frog, strange. More frog stuff, canary, goldfish. Ooh, is that Japanese? Indeed it is. Wow, those things can live hundreds of years. Mouse, hare, dog and cat. Wow, quite a selection there. Should be interesting to post some of those pictures on my Instagram and my Twitter. Check them out. Also have some xylene here. So like sort of a polymer-y type stuff used for attaching samples to the slides. Probably not cheap. How this got to Wales, as I said, I don't know. We also have some Japanese tools here. Very nice. High quality. Let's have a quick look at them, what we have. It's just all things for preparing slides. A pair of scissors, a couple of spatulas and a spiky thing. Very spiky thing. But Japanese made, so very high quality indeed. It all feels really high quality material. Nice box as well. Been working on cleaning all of this up, as you can see. Put some of that back. Let's have a little clean up of the lenses on here. Put my phone on the stand temporarily. Sorry about that. That flew well. Haven't used my phone stand in some time. There we go. No problems angling it. There we go. Sorry about that. Alright. Cotton birds. This mirror could use a bit of a clean also. I think I'll do that, since that is a pretty vital component. Squeaky. Best just used some water to do this, as opposed to something else. It may or may not have some nasty chemicals within it. Will stain the metal or the glass, which I don't want. So we'll get these removed. There we go, they just unscrew off. This would be times 10. I got the right end. Does appear to be in quite nice condition. The Japanese lenses. So get them in there without actually touching the bottom. Very nice. So let's do the other ones. Ooh, this one's a bit crunchy. What's this? Times 40. Oof. Some crazy zoom levels on this thing. Goes from 100, 200 and 400 times. So it's not times 40, it's times 400. Wow, look at the smeg all over that. The lens is absolutely covered in smeg on the top. Definitely need some water for that. Messy. Sounds like my neighbour's doing some gardening. Nice day for it. That's coming up lovely. Shiny. Very nice. Replace that. And then I've got another one to do. And then I will test this thing out. Although it'll probably be quite difficult to get a nice focus. There's quite a bit of smeg in here. Probably be quite difficult to get a nice focus though, but I will manage. I always do. Oh, hungry. Early morning, have yet to eat. I need to eat something. Right. Alright. Quite fiddly to screw these things in. So they're all nice and tight, indeed. Bizarre sort of mechanism upon it. Clean the top lens as well. Screws off. There's that. Maybe where the smeg is located that I seen through the viewfinder previously. Some cotton wool in there. Don't want to directly touch the lens really, if possible. Some tiny bits of fluff on there. Right, I think I'll use this end. Right, need a dry one, very dry. Nice. Okay, that should be it. That's a bit off center. Don't want to screw them on too tight or like destroy the old O-rings, which are probably already quite old. Yeah, let's move that whole other side. Place that mirror. The mirror does actually go back in place. It's just not too accurate. Be careful with it as well. So, silverberry leaf from Japan. And we got some light coming in there. Outside. Trying to get a nice angle from the sunlight. It does seem to be quite difficult, especially before I used natural sunlight. I think I'll use that. Right. Mirror's not cutting it. Natural sunlight will have to do. So, get a better angle for this. Right, I can see in there now, quite nice. Move the slide until I can see something. Let's see if it's even oriented correctly. Not enough light. I've got some nice pictures from this before. Oh, got it. Damn it. Just very, very fine. Fine work to move the viewfinder. Quite difficult. Trouble focusing also. Ooh. But this working great before. Might just be me. Getting quite hot doing this. See if I can get a better focus in the window. Since it'll be sunny. Quite tricky. Try different magnification. Can see nothing through the right ones. this thing. Not what I expected. Had it working perfectly before. It's quite difficult to get the focus. Damn it. Can't get the focus. Seems too dark. Have a little examination of the thing anyway. I'll post pictures on the Instagram and my Twitter of this. Quite a nice microscope. Once I get it to work properly, that is. Well, see you next time.